save about 1,000 plus.
To work out cheaper for me.
4,000.
215, even more.
It's worth for 200 plus. 400 bucks of savings.
Hey guys, I've been trying to do live but just couldn't get it. Anyway, so hey guys, as the title suggests, it's time for me to get a new camera. The thing is, this Sony that you're watching from is fantastic, alright. It is one of the best action cameras out there, but somehow Sony just lost the momentum in pushing it to do things further. They lost confidence in themselves, where actually, if you look at almost 10 out of 10 reviews of this thing, the reviews are fantastic. It is just something so usable, and if I don't get a camera soon, I'm worried that if this goes away, I might not have another one as a replacement. Alright, and of course, I passed my GoPro 9 to Rachel for her to try, while I know I'm receiving this boy here. Alright, let's get started. Came all the way from Guangdong or China or whatever. Blah blah blah. I'm just not talented in this. Yes, I got myself the Insta360 One something something, and I have no idea how to open this package. It's just, sorry that I kind of suck at it. I'm just gonna try cutting everywhere. God, this is some tough packaging. Let's see what we got here. That's a battery base that I got. Okay. And that's the lens guard. This is for the 1-inch sensor module. So the interesting thing about this Insta360, okay, that's the bracket, right? The interesting thing is that I've had the old one. Where is it? Yeah, I've had this one. Alright, this is not my first 360 camera. The first one I bought, I no longer know where is it. That one is from Nikon, and that sucks, man. This one is like 1,000,000 times better than that, but still, I seldom use it because it's just troublesome. There is a GPS smart remote that comes with it. This is a boosted battery base, an extra base. A mic adapter to USB-C. Crap. That's a tripod, which I believe I have it somewhere. It looks the same. Okay. Crap. This is a charger, a fast charger. This is the 1-inch module. Right, and this is the camera. This is the dual package, which has the camera and the 360 camera, both of them in one box. Yeah. Letter with a bunch of Chinese words. Serious? Really? better for shipping lithium-ion batteries. Yeah, the whole set looks pretty extensive when you look at it. They're not cheap. They are not cheap. Okay. Boom. So where do I start? I have no idea how to use them yet. First I'll start with the main thing. Crap, I bought this. I have this. It looks the same as the one I had when I got the Insta360. But I have no idea where is it now. So okay, it's slightly different. This is crap. Serious? You're able to stand like that? Okay, this is an updated version. So I guess. Ooh. Okay, it's different from mine. This is. Come on, I don't believe this. I don't believe it can hold itself. Or it's meant to be open all the way. The build quality is there, but I'm just not sure why is there no locking mechanisms. Are they so confident? No. See? Really? Will it stand? Even with this? Okay. Oh well. Different from the one I had. It's made of metal. Rubberized end here, so it grips. But I'm just not sure about not having something to lock its position and not having something to lock this, because it goes right back in. Goes right back in. Put this aside. Box is done for. This one. The main thing. So Con did a video when he was figuring whether to go for the DJI Action Cam or the GoPro Hero 9. I think that time when he did that comparison, we haven't heard of this yet. Maybe we're just dumb, you know, because it's not new, technically speaking. It's been out for a while. There are some updates as well. Nevertheless, not sure if you guys can hear me clearly. Ooh. It looks smaller than I think it is. And how do you detach them? So their idea is that, do I just take it out like that? There must be a way to detach it, right? Is there a way to detach it? Or is it by force? Do I just plug it like that? Yes! Damn! I hope I don't break anything. Now the thing is this device was designed, I think this is a very daring design, and it shows, it's also in a way a show off of their capabilities as a company in being innovative. So this is the module, alright? This is the module that carries the processor, blah 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 and all that, and this is the one that houses the lens, alright? So by standard it comes with a f2.8 16.4mm 4K camera, and this is a screen, right? So the on-off button is on top, and the connectors, look at the connectors, alright? Now you'll be seeing two sets of connectors, and there's only one set on the lens module, Why is that so? Because if I plug it this way, put it nearer, see it? And I have the display at the back, right? And that's the camera. I can see what I'm pointing. But if I were to turn it around and shoot myself, there's no lens. So what they did is I can plug it out. Because this one has two sets of connectors, I can turn it around and plug it back, and now it has become a front-facing action camera with the screen pointing towards me. This is touch screen. Of course, there are compromises when they do this type of design.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper